Hello, so this is a tool I made for at-home comp simulation and solve analysis. I've had this public for a while now, but I added some new features that are pretty cool. So in the past you had to use these blank templates. They would, you'd have to enter in like 23 point whatever, which is a bit annoying, so I've removed the need for that. Now you can enter the times in like you would in CS Timer. So let's say you got 1 minute 23 45. You just enter that here, and then it'll convert that into seconds for you. If you got like a 5 second 24, it'll do that for you as well. Basically after you finish, you'd enter like your times like horizontally. So this would be like one average, this would be a second average, and so on. Then after this all gets filled up, it'll show like your stats, like it shows it as you go. And then after you finish, you'd want to copy these times over, and I'll just grab some times I had from an actual session I did. You'd want to bring it into the solve analysis tab, copy them in, paste them in, and you want to paste values only, because if you paste it in from here, it'll paste the formula, which is annoying. So just click values only. Whoops. Yeah, I have to do it a bit differently. So once you have the times in, it'll show a graph of like all the solve distribution. It's sourced from the data over here. Now obviously you want to change all the numbers for whichever event you're doing. So you change it here, and then over here you change it as well. Change the value in here. Won't have to worry about this one. My Wi-Fi just died, so it might be a bit annoying. So it has some stats up here for your mean standard deviation. Yeah, and you'll need to change these for whatever event and your skill level as well. So for me, getting like a world record single is not like very likely, so I don't have it here, but if it is for you, then you might want to put that in here. And yeah, I can't code it optimally. You'd have to put the time in here, and then you need to change it here as well. Oh, this is outdated. Okay, so let's say let's say NR single was 5.00. You would need to change this value in here to 5.01, because tied counts as record. So yeah, you change that, and it's basically the same with this one. It's just like with less times, nothing different. You just paste the stuff in here. It'll show like all the same stats and everything. What else do I want to say? That's about it. Oh yeah, so I'll have a link for this sheet in the description. What you want to do is you want to open it, and then you go to File, click Make a Copy, and then you'll just name it whatever you want, and then you'll have a copy for yourself. And you want to have like maybe a session for like your main event, and then you'll duplicate it for like another event you want to do. And you'd also want to like change this. You'd have like one for clock as well, or whatever, and then you duplicate the tab. And yeah, that's about it. Have fun.